I'm Jeff Millett, practice faculty at the Boston Architectural College. Let's explore traditional building wisdom, the time-tested methods by which local communities around the world and over the centuries built comfortable, efficient, resilient, and beautiful structures long before industrial materials and modern technology existed. Traditional buildings are not relics. They contain lessons we urgently need today. As we rethink sustainability, climate adaptation, and local economic resilience, we can learn from traditional building wisdom. Humans worldwide have always constructed buildings to fulfill the same basic needs, including shelter, security, economy, community, and privacy. Historically, buildings incorporated locally developed, time-tested solutions crafted through local observation, climate awareness, and countless generations of refinement. Traditional building systems around the world share the following three fundamental core principles. First, they rely on local materials, such as local timber, stone, earth, palm, bamboo, thatch, etc. Next, they use climate-responsive design, passively maximizing comfort for local conditions long before modern energy-intensive HVAC systems existed. Lastly, they build with local craft knowledge passed down from generation to generation. Let's consider traditional building in three very different regions of the world, beginning with Brazil in South America. Near the equator, indigenous Amazonian communities build oca huts using woven timber frames covered in local palm thatch, which breathe naturally, creating comfort in the hot, humid rainforest climate. In dry southeast Brazil, wattle and daub and adobe systems offer thermal mass, keeping interiors cool on hot days. And wide roof overhangs and verandas create shade and outdoor living space. Next, let's go to Southern Europe and North Africa. Across the hot, dry Mediterranean region, the response to heat and sun traditionally shape architecture. Whitewashed exteriors reflect sunlight, reducing interior temperature. Thick stone or masonry walls serve as thermal mass, absorbing heat by day and slowly releasing heat by night. In terms of geometry, courtyards cool buildings naturally through shade and ventilation, while narrow streets direct breezes and reduce hot, glaring sunlight. Lastly, to East Asia. In Japan, traditional construction with plentiful timber became an art and an engineering discipline. Wood craftsmen developed interlocking joinery that allowed structures to flex during the frequent earthquakes, all without metal fasteners. For the cool, damp Japanese climate, deep roof eaves shed water and control seasonal sunlight, blocking high summer heat while allowing low winter sun to warm interiors. Raised floors improve ventilation and reduce moisture as well. Now, in addition to promoting sustainability through use of local materials and climate-focused design, traditional building knowledge, traditional building wisdom can also strengthen local economies. Local materials mean local supply chains. Money stays within the region instead of flowing to distant manufacturers. Craft-based construction supports small trades, local carpenters, masons, earth builders, thatchers, etc. And traditional buildings are designed to be repaired, not replaced, creating stable, long-term, craft-based rather than demolition and new build-based construction cycles. Utilizing local materials also decreases reliance on imports, thereby mitigating the risks associated with global price volatility and supply chain disruptions. In short, traditional building is not only sustainable, it's economically wise. In conclusion, the examples from Brazil, the Mediterranean, and Japan show that traditional building wisdom comes in many forms, but always with the same purpose: making comfortable, durable, affordable, and culturally grounded structures. As we search for more sustainable ways to build today, traditional wisdom offers a powerful guide. By combining time tested traditional strategies with modern tools, we can design buildings and economies that are resilient, efficient, and deeply connected to place and community. The future of building may depend on how well we learn lessons transmitted from the past.